Scorpio Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpio will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. If you really want to make some crispy dollars, follow our steps. First of all, choose the asset, then the expiration time. It can be any option, it literally doesn't matter. Confirm your choice, get the signal, and open a deal. Now, just chill. You're all set. Oh, at the moment, this asset is only available in the OTC.